Hello, my name is Sophia. I am picking Virginia Tech to rebuild on the online dynasty in college football 25. This once-rich story franchise has been on the low, but I am here to rebuild this team from the ground up. Kyron Jones will win a Heisman, and I will win a national championship. That's one thing I can promise. Virginia Tech will be on top. Come on, man. First game of online dynasty. Let's go, man. Let's get this dub. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I can't run double mug versus 5 wide, man. This should be a pick. Let's go. Come on, Johnson. Take this shit to the house. Come on, Johnson. Ah, you slow motherfucker. Goddamn. Oh, boy, that stadium posters. Your fucking crowd's rocking. Yes, sir. Let's go, tooting. He's tooting that rock. Let's go. That should be a touchdown. Let's go. We're making a statement out here, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in that end zone, drones. Let's fucking go. Good RPO. We hit hard over here, though. We hit hard. When we hit, they must go down hard. Or the little drag routes coming up the middle. Yes, sir. We was on that. Ah, shit. I ain't get out to that edge fast enough. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 4th and 7. What you finna do, boy? Come on. Yes, sir. Set the whole family. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Tootin. Take it to the house. Ooh, stop on his ass. Let's go. I got somewhere to be, man. Let's go. 14 zip early. On the road at Oklahoma. I got the tight end. Good read, man. Push his ass back. Ooh, I thought that was a pick. Number 5. Anything else coming up the middle. That should be. Oh, let's go, man. Come on. Watch the seams. Let's go. His quarterback ass. Let's go. God damn. This stadium post is getting to me, bro. Damn. Can't make a damn hot route. And I threw a damn pick. I shouldn't have audible to a double mug. Come on, man. Oh, play action. My stick is horrible. Another one? Oh, what a play. I definitely thought it was just a touch pass. Come on, tackle. Let's go. Huge tackle right there. Oh my god, he ran that shit? This dude was a bot. Oh my god. He really had the cojones to run the ball on 4th and goal, like at his 6-yard line, bro. I'm telling this dude going to post, he going to the damn corner road. This is gonna be tough. Jesus. Oh boy. I almost got my shit blocked. I wouldn't even be surprised if he ran that motherfucker. Come on! Oh my god! 34! Oh, come on. Oh shit. Now he got the momentum. Oh boy. Can you niggas block for me, bro? Bro, I was down. No way. I was down. Thank you. First down, come on. Wow, I had to do wide open. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Hit your flat, bro. Come on, fuck it. Go for it. I think we have a touchdown right here, bro. Oh my god. Bro, like I knew that shit was coming. Give me that. What a catch, bro. Come on. Come on, get off him. We tooting that route. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on, man. I could hot route now. Why the fuck this thing didn't post his back? Yo, ain't no fucking way I'm about to lose to you. Can I get that? Thank you. Come on, hit that bubble. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Felder. Come on. Who that flag on? Holding. Come on. Come on, 2nd and 6. I'm doing too much, bro. I am screwed. Kicking my fucking life, ain't it?
Get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Yep. Oh my god. Yes. Holy fuck. Pick that shit up, bro. Thank you. Yo, what am I doing? Am I trying to get the game away? Nah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. Thank you. Great tackle, bro. My god. I'm literally playing the worst game of the fucking year so far. Thank God he hasn't scored, bro. I can't score either. Let's go, man. Let's go, Johnson. To our fastest receiver on the damn team, bro. Come on. Come on, Lane. Come on. Come on, Lane. Come on, Lane. Oh, fuck. That was the hardest kick of my fucking life. Holy shit, man. Come on. Come on, man. Oh my god. Why nobody was there for my team? This motherfucker, man. He just ran the same play I did, but he did it right, bro. Oh, you fucking kidding me, bro? Nigga. Pick that shit off. Let's go. Yes, sir. Come on. First down. That should be game, bro. He's injured and all, but he came in fucking clutch. Let's go. First W of the year versus the 13th ranked team. Let's fucking go, man. It was nasty. It wasn't pretty, but we got the job done. Let's go, man. Holy crap. Look at my stats. I play like shit. I only threw one pick. It felt like I threw three. I went 4 through 17, but it didn't feel that way. Man, let's go, man. We got work on some things at week 2, man. Let's go, bro. Let's go. We got the dub though, baby. That's all that matters.